Thanks for coming back and checking out another picking video. You might have seen me package earlier from Dan's Evers, and I got some wonderful locks off in on Saturday, and I've done the parcel opening over, and I've watched a few videos of this 3KS, and yeah, I'm going to start practicing this soon. Really beautiful lock, and yeah, I want to thank you Daz again for sending me out this, and also the lovely Dom rim cylinder dimple lock. Looking forward to picking that. But this afternoon I got a call from a locksmith friend, and he's got his company, and I think it's Patsaboutlocks, but he's a working locksmith, and he's been saving me up some euros, and I went over and I met him today, and he gave me a whole farm foods bag full of euros. I'm talking 30-35 kilos worth, and there's loads in there. I've got to cut them in half because there's a lot of doubles in there, so I've got to cut loads in half and make two out of them. But if anyone wants any euros whatsoever, then just say the word, because I've got plenty, absolutely loads. And it's pity there's not a lock sport meet coming up, because I'd bring them all in a suitcase and you could just help yourselves. But I also picked this off his van, and it's a Monterey security padlock. It's key retaining, but it's got a removable core euro. So I'm thinking I might make this into some kind of challenge lock. I might put another cylinder in there with a tricky keyway and some nasty pins, and send this one out. But I thought I'd give this one a quick pick, and we'll see how we get on with it. So I did give Pat, I gave him some lock picks. He's a working locksmith, but he does need to practice his picking, he said. So I took him over some picks to be getting on with, and a couple of dimple lock that he could have a go on, as he's learning dimple locks. And let's try me John Eggington on this one. I've got to remember which way does the key go? That's that way. Okay. So I'm going clockwise. There we go. Got that open. Not too bad. A few minutes. And let's have a look. So that's a screw down there. So. And there we go. So that's not too bad. And then I'll stick another Euro down there. Yeah, look forward to doing that little project. And thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll be back picking this 3KS very soon, maybe a year or two. Nice one.